Hello explorers, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the AKT Deodorant. I have been very excited for this because I've been seeing it pop up everywhere. My sister has also mentioned it as well. It was a product made from two performers. Packaging is super nice. You know me, I love sustainable packaging. Everything is recyclable. Oh, AKT was founded when we were performing 8 shows a week in London's West End. So this is a product born from performance, basically, and performance tested. So let's try it out, shall we? The deodorant balm in the scent number 4, the mint pomelo tomato vine. So this is the one I got. I'm very excited to try this. I wanted something that was a little bit neutral, but at the same time not overpowering. So let's see how this goes. And also, this is the assistant. This is a little metal key that basically goes on the tube so that you can get every last bit out. You can squeeze it out, roll it up. This is the deodorant balm. Right over here, how many ounces does it say? It's 1.76 ounces. This entire packaging is plastic free. I absolutely love that. This little tool right here will help us squeeze out every last bit of the product. That way nothing goes to waste. When I travel, I think that this will be absolutely perfect in my toiletry bag. So I'm gonna pierce the little tip right there. That way we can squeeze the right amount out every single time. Okay. You only need a pea-size amount to start off with. This smells so good. It's a nice, neutral, and subtle scent, just exactly how I want it. We're basically gonna take this key, we're gonna insert it at the top right there, and we're going to roll down. You can actually feel all the product being squeezed from the very tip all the way down. This is perfect. I think for travel purposes, I am not going to be taking this key unless there's very little product left, because if I squeeze it down all the way, I can still get enough product out when I'm traveling and it won't weigh me down. But when I'm at home, this is gonna stay put. This is a really nice texture as well. Trust me, I'm gonna be using it a lot. I'm absolutely excited to take this with me traveling. This is going to stay in my toiletry bag because I wanted something that was small, compact, lightweight, and absolutely works because I tend to sweat a lot. I perspire so much, especially when I'm traveling, so this will be perfect. And if you've tried AKT Deodorant Balm before, please let me know in the comments, or if you're looking to try it, let me know as well. I may have a code for you. Thank you so much, explorers, and see you next time. Bye-bye.